What if you could hand all your messy family research to a digital assistant and get back clean timelines, summaries, and next steps? Today, I'll show you exactly how. Hi, I'm Michael from Heritage AI Tools, where I help genealogists use modern AI tools to speed up their research and stay organized. If you enjoy practical genealogy tips like these, make sure to subscribe. Genealogy gets messy fast. You've got emails from cousins, handwritten notes, DNA matches, newspaper clippings, and somehow you're expected to make sense of it all. That's where AI becomes a game changer. Let's start with something simple. Messy notes. AI can take a block of text, even something copied from an old email, and instantly reorganize it into a clean summary, a list of key facts, and even unresolved questions. Next, timelines. Instead of manually sorting dates, you can paste everything into AI and ask it to create a chronological timeline. This makes gaps, inconsistencies, and missing records jump right out. Ancestor bios often start as rough drafts scattered with repeated facts, incomplete sentences, or notes to yourself. AI can rewrite a biography while keeping every verified fact intact. This one surprises people. AI can compare two conflicting records, like two census entries with different ages, and explain all conflicts, plus suggest likely reasons for the differences. Finally, AI can read handwriting and extract data from old documents, including census pages, Bible entries, and probate papers. If you want to start using AI right away, I put together a free guide with 10 powerful prompts for genealogists. It's linked below. Just enter your email and I'll send it to you instantly. And if you want to see how AI can help decode old handwriting, that's the next video. You'll be surprised at what's now possible.